Like I said, it's people. If you could pass through the wall, yeah? Now, if you could pass through the wall, everybody would be really impressed. Wouldn't they be impressed? Man, and you'd probably become a very famous person, if you let anybody know. See? Right? But if you could pass through the wall, nothing would change except you could pass through walls. Do you understand? See, people think, I'll be so phenomenal, you'd be spiritual. No, you'd just be something you could pass through walls. So your reality would be the same. Basic reality. You'd be the same. See? Like I said, if you were born a cricket, whatever, see? Or if you're just an alien blob of light floating around in the super ether or some such thing, well then that's life. It doesn't mean anything. You know what I'm saying? That's just more experience. Okay, yes. And you date other blobs of light. Oh, love that purple light. Etc. And you would, if you were suddenly thrown into being a human, you'd think it's the weirdest thing in the world. Just like if you were thrown into being a blob of light, you would think it was really weird. Given you had a history as being a human, right? You'd say, this is just strange. And you wouldn't know why you were attracted to purple light. It's like, you wouldn't know why you were attracted to other humans and stuff like that, females and males and shit like that, right? See? It's just bizarre. I mean, as a human, it's not. It's completely natural, organic. And you're driven, right? You're driven, you see? But it's bizarre. Nevertheless, existence is kind of bizarre. And again, it doesn't change anything. See? You become conscious of what's true. It's already true. See? You're not changing anything. You don't become conscious of absolute now. It changes your consciousness, and that will influence your experience to some degree. But it's not going to change your experience, because your experience is crafted the way your experience is crafted. It's not going to change. See? Your experience was crafted, and absolute now was true then. True now. It's always true. You know what I'm saying? When it's time to go eat lunch, you're not saying, absolute now is not helpful. I have already eaten.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.